guys, Random Sonic Fan here. Today I'm going to show you how to actually make your own FNF mod without any source code. It'll actually be good. So here's the programs that you need. So, you just go ahead and write them down in the notepad. Alright, so this is the stuff you need. Paint 3D, a sprite sheet generator, the one on Game Banana, not Adobe because Adobe costs money, and CycEngine, or modified CycEngines. So let's just go ahead and get this thing started. So first, you want to come to this, and then you want to hold up. No, go. So, and once you're at Microsoft Edge, kid. Once you're at Microsoft Edge, here's what you want to do. You want to search up CycEngine. And you want to go to the CycEngine GitHub. And here's what you want to download. You don't want to download 6.2 at all because any 0.6 versions, once you put in an unknown file name, it will crash the game. We don't want that to happen. So if you want to make a 32-bit port, you can download this one. But if you want to get if you want to just make your mod first, you download that and then you name your mod. So my mod is gonna be called Versus Sonic Plushie. Don't ask. So here's why I said you needed the sprite sheet generator. So while you are compiling your file, you want to go this Game Banana. Now once you're on Game Banana, you want to search up FNF Sprite Sheet Generator. And once you do that, wait for it to load. So if it doesn't come up the first time, here's what you want to click that, and then you want to search up you just want to search up sprite sheet and XML generator. And here's what it will do. It won't show up. If it still doesn't show up, this is what you want to search up sprite sheet XML generator FNF. Yes, it was. Alright. So right here, we don't forget this. This is the one. And you want to download the one that says that. Alright, so depending on your PC, this is probably going to be different. So if you want to focus on these files right here, as these are the newest versions, if your computer is a 64-bit, download this one. If your computer is a 32-bit, download this one. You can actually go into your settings, and I think you can just search up My Computer or is my computer 64-bit or 32-bit, and it will tell you. Alright, so I'm the 64-bit, so I'm gonna go ahead and download this. So I'm gonna go ahead and unpackage this real quick, and I'll pause this until I'm ready to unpause. Alright, I'm back. So here's what's gonna happen. It's gonna tell you, oh, this computer thing is a virus. It's not. Just click more info and click run anyway. Then you just wait like 5 seconds, I guess. And boom. Now I know that light mode is done, so just go to view and dark mode. So now you want to put your character name. My character name is going to be Sonic Plush Normal. So I'm just going to go ahead and go on the internet and search up Sonic Plush. I already have this. That's going to be a separate song. But this right here is going to be my character. Amazon, I swear to God, if you copyright me, I'm going to take you to court. So, that's such a, okay. Select your address. No. Alright, so now you want to search up Paint 3D. And you want to go to New. Then you want to go to Canvas, Transparent Canvas, or else it will show a white background. And you want to click Paint. Bruh. Alright, so now let me paste. Alright, so this here is my image. If your image has a white background, and boom, now we have a Sonic. Now we have Sonic if he wasn't a Sonic. So right here is the Sonic the Hedgehog plushie. So this is kind of how how it's gonna go. So my Sonic plush is going. So this right here, I'm going to just boom, bam, pop. So now we have our idol right here. So here's what you want to do. You want to click save. Then you want to go to downloads, and then you want to make a folder called whatever your character's name. So I'm just gonna call it Sonic Sprite. Wait, hold up. Remove that. Actually, go into your folder, CycEngine, mods, images, then create a new folder called Sprites, and then make Sonic, then name it your character name, then make these 5 folders. Idle, left, right, up, down. So now you want to name this idle 1, and this one will go into the idle folder. Then save image, save, and then it will go into the same folder. This time this one's gonna be idle 2, and then next is going to be idle 3. Now, if you have Adobe Animate, then you usually would use the motion tween to do this even faster, but I know that everybody trying to make an FNF mod does not have it, so I'm just making this video to show you how to make it without Adobe. So now you have made your 4 or 5 or more amount of pictures. So you want to go to that exact directory, and You go to idle and select these specific four ones right here. So this one is going to be idle 6. This one is going to be idle 7, and this one is going to be idle 8. So now you have 8 animations. Now you just want to yeah, basically that's so it doesn't it's basically so it looks smooth is the entire point. And then idle, you can just click Control A if you're lazy, and you just want to click Control. Hold up, never mind, I forgot you can't do Control A. And you want to name this pose idle. Then you want to click View, Preview Animation, Idle. Now you have your character's animation. Kinda. So now you just want to click undo. Oh, I clicked undo too much. So you just want to click undo until your character has restored their idle animation. Now I'm gonna do left first. So you're gonna want to move your character. And this one is going to be left 1. This one is going to be left 2. And this one is going to be idle. Left 3, actually, not idle. I spelled it, I got 2. Alright, this is going to be left 3. So now you need to do the same thing. Instead of idle, go to left, open. And then you want to select all your left and then name it left. And then you want to go. Now, actually, here's what you can do. If you're too lazy and you don't want to redo all of it, I just made it my background. You know, that's actually good. So now you can just click this and rotate. You know, scratch what I was about to say. Well, you can do that. Well, actually, you can just do that for down. I'm too lazy to make a down animation. So this right here is going to be the down animation. Then this stuff is going to be down. And it's going to have that. Then you copy the exact same. Now I think you can only do this on Windows 11. So don't get mad at me if it doesn't work for you. Please. So now you just want to, yeah. Now you just actually save most of your time. So this is up. This is down. Now all we gotta do is just create our left animation. I mean our right animation. So let's get our character right here. And then do this. Right 1. Then we get a right. And lean further, move, and then decrease on this side. Right 2, move, slightly tilt even more to this side. And then right 3. Now now you just gotta do right boom, 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 boom. Right, and now you just click generate XML. Usually I just generate it in the sprite folder, but now you have it. Now you just need to make sure it's in that you're liking, and then you go to images, characters. Now you probably want to create an icon for your character. So here's what you do. First you go to the normal Scikit folder, images, icons, and then you're gonna take this one right here. Not this one, because this one is leveled wrong. Now it's images, icon, and then I'm just gonna name it icon, that thing, and then you put your character name. So mine is Sonic Plushie. You want to make sure that it has this right here. If it doesn't, it's actually going to mistake the key. If your character name and your icon is the same, it's gonna show the icon instead. So now you have your Sonic. You have your character. Now, if you want to, now, in order to create their icon, you are going to have to go. Now, this is only if you made a 3D character. You're gonna have to go here. No. And then, basically, you're just gonna have to completely get rid of their body. Or if you want or if your character has like a name that actually means something. Now if your character doesn't have one, just put the thing that they like or something. Maybe like the Alright, so Sonic likes chili dogs, so till in the shed. You looking kind of funny with the flory hand on her forehead. I said that wrong. I said that very, very. Yo, Sonic, what you doing, bud? Alright. Friendly reminder to never click the paste button. So right here, you get your icon, and then you paste it right here, and you usually are gonna have to edit it in some way to make it look actually good. Or you can go the actually more high effort way and actually draw your character its own icon. But since we like being lazy here, I'm just gonna draw the chili dog with a bad face, because yes, you can show them. Then if it's 3D, then go to mods, icons, and paste it over there. Boom. Now we can actually go into our game and add the character. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pause the recording. Alright, I am back. So we have our game. It's gonna tell you that if you downloaded 0.5.2H. And then you're gonna press 7. And you're gonna go to character editor. And you're gonna go load the template. And then you wanna put your character's name. Wait, actually you just wanna get the icon working. So now we have our character. So now we just need to go mods, images, characters. Let's get our character name. and it's probably gonna, yeah. And then you're just gonna go ahead and make it. Since this is gonna be a cool joke mod, it's gonna be kind of serious and kind of mostly joke though. This is going to be our character and idle. You're gonna want to go open your XML, find this right here, copy. Then you're going to go to that, and then boom, and then boom, and then you probably, that's what you. Now you want to go. I'll be right back. I gotta pause. Alright, I am back. So, back to what we were doing earlier. You just copy all of them, and then in the game, you go to that animation that you just copied, and then you paste it. And you just want to click space a couple times to make sure that you're on the right end. Then my next animation is up, so I'm going to go to up. Alright. So you just want to keep copying the animations until finally until you are finally done. So you just want to go ahead and test all your animations. This is not how I want the animation to be. So it's actually supposed to be. This one is going to be slightly over. Alright, now once you're done, you want to go to character, save, and then you want to go to your directory, mods, characters, and you want to put your character's name, and then you want to put phase and your phase number. Mine is going to be 1. So once you're done, you want to go to the chart editor, and you're going to want to go to song, and then select your character, and then play.
3, 2, 1,
so if your character worked correctly, it should be in the psych engine now. Now if you want to test out your characters, now that you have it in game, you can probably add a little bit more tweaks and stuff. Like move your character over to the side.
3, 2, 1, go!
Now if you want to test out your characters' animations, here's what you want to do. Alright.
3, 2, 1, go!